What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got my mother-in-law's 4Runner here, and we're not going to be doing anything aesthetically cool, no 35s or kings or anything like that, but it's going to be a mod that is going to be very effective, so check it out. Alright, so these are the Catalytic LED catalytic converter guards. And we are not doing an install video on this just because Catalytic already did an awesome install video. And if you follow that video, it should take you at most 30 minutes to get these bad boys installed. And when I say these are not a cool aesthetic mod, but it's effective, is because these will save you a lot of money. So I'll just run over the install real quick for you. Like I said, it's super easy and they already have a great video, so no need to do it again. But pretty much you're gonna remove these two bolts. You're gonna remove this bar here. There are two bolts that go through here. You're gonna remove those as well. And then in this catalytic converter guard box will come with all the hardware that you need. It'll come with these two longer gold bolts for you. That'll replace the OEM bolts. It'll come with these two bolts, and then it'll come with two locking nuts in the back, some washers and spacers as well. So pretty much what you want to do is you remove this bar, you're going to put these two long bolts in. You can do it one at a time so this doesn't move on you. If it does, you could just jack it back up. One at a time on the bolts. It's going to be bolt and then washer and spacer. The cat shield will sit in between the washer, and you can't see back there, but there's a spacer. Sit in between those two. Once you have it seated in that plate there, you're going to use, for this side, you're going to use the OEM bolt. Just hand tighten one in there, swing it over back to these holes, and then you're going to put both these provided bolts in there. After that, you will tighten those two bolts, and then you can go back and tighten everything else. And that is literally it for the install. And then you just repeat the exact same steps for this side, and you don't have to do a certain or a specific side first. Either one will be the exact same install. All right, so like I said, not a cool aesthetic mod, but effective. It's because if you park your car outside or in an area where it's not safe and theft is high. So like in our area right here specifically, we don't park any of the customer trucks or even our trucks outside after hours. We bring all the trucks inside because this area is prime for catalytic thieves. We've had lots of people get their cats stolen. So this would be an awesome mod if you are in one of those bad areas. You spend $190, but you save yourself a lot of money. I don't know what the cats are going for in the black market, but I've seen some of them go up to like 600 plus. So you spend the money up front, but you save yourself a lot of money in the long run, as well as the hassle to get it to a shop and installed again and whatnot. So a very effective mod, and I find this one to be a very useful mod that is for everybody and not just for the guys that go wheeling. All right guys, that is it for this video. Peace.